family. And me say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would do the earth, one of them. Real killy dead to the end, dead from me start.
What?
Let me finish.
Go ahead.
I don't know if it's an appropriate
Attire?
attire
Yeah.
for the event.
No, the shoe.
No,
The shoes is being worn
I'm not
for his
talking
daughter.
about- Look, I'm not talking. Listen what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Yes, you guys. So on my way to Shiva, and my dad just asked me if
Can you all believe the show off?
this is not showing off, guy daddy. This is how I do on the regular. Okay, this is Cindy on the regular.
This is
Yes.
an ordinary, smordinary kind of day, you know what I mean?
Okay,
That's
okay.
how we do it. We just do it. It just come natural, you know what I mean?
I want to give, what's his name again? Peter?
Yeah.
Give Peter my condolences.
We'll do.
Yeah?
We'll do.
And
Your regards, all that stuff. Yes, I will.
you can nice and talk to me.
Bye, you guys. Bye. Bye, you guys.
Ciao.
5 points. No, I'm gonna take it off in the car. So, yeah. Bye. Ashton, say bye. Hey guys. Log on. I am. Why is this mofo driving on the wrong side of the street? Are you an idiot? Anyway. So, yeah, just getting out of work. I am a bit excited today. I don't really know what. Well, I do know what, but I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. I'm gonna do you one better, and I'm just gonna show you. Okay? I'm going to show you. Oh my God! I just realized that my nieces and nephews are one set of them. I've got a set that lives in Connecticut. They're off from school this week. The ones that go to school in New York City are not off. But the ones that are off, and my sister are at the house all this week. And this morning when I was leaving, she's like, "Oh, bring ice cream later." I just remembered. Because I was planning just to rush home and just relax for a little bit, which it's not gonna, oh my God, it's like almost 7 o'clock. It takes me about 30 minutes to get home and then another 20 minutes to get to the gym. My session starts at 8 o'clock. I don't know if I can stop and get this ice cream. That's gonna really put me out of my way. Because first of all, I have to make a detour to go to Carvel, where it's at. There's probably a line. I don't think I'm getting ice cream. I don't think I'm getting ice cream. Damn, I didn't realize it was so late. Sorry, Stacy. Sorry, Lenny. Sorry, Ashton. Yeah, I don't think I can get ice cream. I'm gonna be late. I can't be late. But that means I won't even have a lot of time with my surprise for y'all, because I got a surprise for you guys. But I'm literally gonna be like, hi bye, because I don't have a lot of time. Where's this dude at?
I'm just a tweet up on it.
Oh my.
Elephant.
Is that it? Yeah. Oh my God. My squatty is here. Gladbach bus. Gladbach bus. Oh my God. What's going? What's going? What's going? What up, Pop?
See, they run from what you find him.
Oh my God. Yo. I posted a vlog last night with Shantae. You probably haven't seen it yet, right? Yeah. Squad there, guys. See the squad there?
But there, but nothing about that, so I'm going to say, better just stay calm, you know, and focus. Alright, no. Right.
Hey, Miles. Who upstairs? Okay. Woo!
Alex, when you come back, you
It's bedtime, you guys. We've got this one here. Where's Master Fabergy?
now come off our ends that Cindy send people go look for you.
Guys,
Big old man like
he told me that he's leaving at 11 o'clock. Obviously, as the big cousin, I'm like, yeah, I'm coming to get you. So I was at work when he called me, so I'm like, don't worry about it, I'm coming to get you. He said, no, I'm good. I said, I'm coming to get you.
So you know what me do? You rather me usually walk when me change that.
And guys, remember the story time that we did at Raquel's house under the man, same last so much time, you know. So I want to make sure he doesn't get lost again.
But look at him.
What?
When you come in at them big early, I know. if you want to know the place, you have to last. Right?
Oh my God.
Like Cynthia come for me every day, I want to learn the place. I'm going to learn the place. I want to learn the
But
place.
it's 11 o'clock at night, Jermaine. It's 11 o'clock at night.
No, man, this is a city I never sleep, man. You should have known that.
But we don't want to on them drive.
Yeah. You.
Guys!
Look at the man. Randy man, I'm looking after me face, man. I see. You see? I'm playing a certain game with me.
Guys, you remember
Nah,
the story he
please,
told. I did not.
Yeah, because they tell me never have no beard on my face.
But you have beard
beard
now.
now.
So no, they're not look on you.
Man, you want to now, beard, see there, I go look at you, see me a rasta. Alright.
Oh my God. So yeah, basically I sent Alex, guys, because I was hella tired. I got home from work late tonight. I sent Alex. Alex called me back. He's like, yo, he's not here. So I'm cussing Alex now. I'm like, because you left too late. You got there too late. I just heard the bell. I'm like, where were you? He's like, I told you not to come for me. I told you I was going to figure it out. All right, sir.
Never.
If you want to get lost, I make certain kind of want to look up in your face.
Come on, make a say, yo. No, this a face, yeah.
All right.
Oh.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Okay then.
I send Alexa come look for me. When Alexa tell me, I say, yeah, come look for me, and me, so come look for you.
Oh my God. Jeremy, no sense. No sense. Anyway, you guys, it is Thursday night, and when I tell you that I'm beat, I had the longest day today. But yeah.
So you ain't got a longest day.
Long! You saw what time I left here. I left here at probably 9 o'clock, and I got home at like 10. That's a long day.
Long day.
That's
Long day from
long day from
9 to 1.
Shut the hell up, Jermaine. Shut up. Jermaine, you and I are going to do some videos for my channel.
Yeah.
I want us to do... Oh, Jesus. I want us to do a video where we like look at all the bad comments that people have written on my channel.
Yeah.
And then you're just basically going to comment on them.
Alright.
So I'm going to go through all the bad comments that's ever written, and we're going to read them together, and we're just going to get your like initial reaction to those comments.
Alright.
Jeremy says he's game, guys.
Yeah, I want to
So see,
I deal with it.
about what? It's almost a month now. He damn, it's so dark. There it goes.
Yeah, wait. Come in and the light, guys, you always try to disgrace me to make me look like my black more anybody else.
Anyway, guys, Jeremy told you guys about 3 weeks ago that he's gonna give you some vlogs, right?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
And then he said maybe in about 2 years. Guess what? A lot quicker than anticipated. No.
I deal with it, man. I worry myself.
It's coming, you guys. It's coming.
Slowly but surely.
Guys, Jermaine is starting already. Jermaine is starting already. I just asked Jermaine what time he got up this morning. Jermaine said he basically slept all morning until he left at like maybe 4, something like that, right? But then he was like, something wrong with the time.
Something wrong with the time, then, man.
Why is something wrong with the time?
Because there's no way. When me there jump down, I don't sleep so long. So maybe There's something wrong with the time. Then. You know too. So
None wrong with time. It's because you were at Uncle Wendy's and you probably drank too much
No,
at Uncle Wendy's last night.
No, otherwise, you know, say something wrong with the time. You just.
Oh, something wrong with the time. Remember, we were on the same time.
No, same time, man. On 1 hour.
1 hour difference sometimes. Right now we're 1 hour difference.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 hour difference, but it's the same.
No.
It's the same.
This is a sign because we never got my bed yet and wake up 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. So see what's wrong with the time, people? Because what, man, I'm supposed to sleep so long.
So you don't sleep so long at Jamaica? No time?
No time. If me sleep so long in my bed, I sick, me sick.
Guys, I think he had too much to drink last night. I think he had too much to drink.
Two beer now, I don't know. I don't know. So when we are big Joes, we are big Joes. Only 2. No, man. That does not make me sleep till 4.
Yeah, either that or the bed we're comfortable. Which one?
The bed can't comfortable too.
Oh my god! Guys, we can't bother. We can't bother.
Bed can't comfortable too.
I'm not do this for German, guys. Me, I got my bed. I'm tired. I'm never heard about it tomorrow. Goodbye. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning and it is 71 degrees today, I believe.
Stop right
So
there.
your girl is looking like a ray of sunshine today. Brights and oranges, yeah.
On your current level of income.
And I have court today. Do I care? Because I'm always like rocking dark colors for court, but I don't care. It's nice out today. It's Friday. I'm getting out of work early.
So budget.
I'm gonna do it.
Number 2. You're going to replace your mortgage.
Yeah, I
That's right. I
have.
said it. You're not even going to have
Whoa.
a mortgage anymore. You're going to have a home equity line of credit.
Mofo
in
just stopped
first
short in front of
position.
me.
So very
Anyway, like I said, I have court. So I'm going to run to court and then I'm going to run to the office. I have a motion that's due today that I stayed to work, I think, till like 9 something last night trying to finish up. I'm pretty close to being done with it. So I'm going to finish that up, get that served, get it filed, and have an early day. Anyway, I will check back in with you guys later.
All the birds from here just got them caps. Me have some place so me nah go back. Me know a few bridge where you fi burn down. So it no make sense to take your heart. Give the evil them still say you a pussy when the right time come. You a whole heap of pressure. Anyway money they ain't pleasure. Me no see no blessings that show like rain on coming. The mother just say them can't stop me. The only one I'm feeling my day. Me no want the police. Mankind so evil.
Guys, I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I said, Jeremy, there's the credit cards on the freaking coffee table. Make sure if I call you and I tell you I need a credit card, you can't find it. Jeremy, are you going to be able to find it?
As long as they say look in front of the TV on the table.
I can't say in front of the coffee table or on the coffee table, you guys. I have to say look in front of the TV. On the table, yeah?
Yes.
All right.
Talk with them on a coffee table. When you talk about coffee table, we have a white table with coffee.
Yo, my cousin is a fool, you guys. I don't particularly enjoy working out on weekends because I like to sleep in on weekends. Jeremy and I come, cause you know the man.
She want me to come, but me can't come because I got my breakfast.
Jeremy said he can't manage the gym. Later, Jeremy. Oh my God, guys. Ooh, yay. So it was raining this morning. Raining. Miles put down a nice load for me. Guys, I haven't washed my car in pretty sure over 2 months. Over 2 months, you guys. And I specifically got cash from the machine yesterday because I had all intentions of washing my car this weekend. But guess what? Look, it's raining. The car is wet, so I can't do that. Yo! My sisters are over. Let me in, biatch! Hi, Niecy! Look at my tall ass niece. You see how tall she is? Do you see? Yosh! Nath. Getting ready to go to the gym.
Well, I'm in here fucking up some shit, you know what I'm
I
saying?
smell a lot of Yankee food. You don't know how to make Jamaican breakfast, Stacey? All this Yankee stuff. Hi, Liam. What's Liam eating?
A banana.
Hi, Liam.
You putting down on YouTube again?
Hi. I might. Hi, Kiki. Kiki, do you love me? Do you?
Yeah.
Liam. Where's Simone?
She just left. You just missed her.
She just left?
Yeah.
Where's Tasia?
She went with her.
Oh, okay. Y'all bought bagels?
Yeah.
Y'all are like
No, not us. No, they
being real extra.
come here.
What is it?
Like a line of makeup, but my hands full of grease. Oh.
I ain't wearing no makeup. It's to the gym.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, you got a line there, but
Oh, maybe my eyebrows came off? I don't know, but I'm leaving y'all later. Let me go get my body right. Hey! 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 Later. Whew. I'm late, guys. I'm supposed to meet my trainer at 12. It is probably 11:50 right now. And I'm not meeting him at my gym. I'm meeting him at one of his gyms. My car is gross. I'm not lying to you. My car is disgusting. And wouldn't blame you if you judged me right now. Because this is pretty bad. Go close again. Oh god. My tire needs. Oh my god, how is it 11? Oh, I'm so late! Oh my god, I hate being late, guys. So it is Saturday. Put my seatbelt on. Okay. Shut up now. So yeah, it's Saturday. I like to sleep in on Saturdays, you guys. I hate getting up early. But I didn't get to work out yesterday because Thursday night I was at work till like almost 10, like pretty late. And my session for Friday should have been in the morning. And I'm like, there's no way I'm going to get home late, get to bed late because I have to make something to eat and all that stuff, and still get up early in the morning, like doing 5 o'clock sessions. I'm not doing it. So I canceled. So now I have to work out today. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Jeremy's at the house, but when I get back, he won't be there. So I don't know what I'm getting into today at all. I do have a video that I need to get up. Ooh, let me try to catch this light. Yep, got it. Got it. Anyway, so yeah, I need to get this video up. So when I get back, I'll probably do that. I'll just edit, try to finish it up so I can post it at some point this weekend. And maybe I could do something with this footage. Like, I haven't done a whole lot of vlogging, like, and that's what happened the last time when Jeremy was here too. Like, we would vlog intermittently. So like I would get like a little clip here, a little clip there, but it really like one vlog would span over like a week, because I'm gonna work all day, he's doing his thing, so there's not a whole lot of time to get footage together, because by the time I get home I am beat, and then when I get home I'm going to the gym, like, and maybe he's not home. So I'm gonna do my best and see what I can do for you guys. Yeah, but yeah, I'm so late. I can't believe how late I am. This is so bad. I hate this. Ah, shoot, man, I left my gloves. Means I'm gonna have these hard ass callous hands. I hate that.